Hey everybody, it's me Pat, the developer of ICECreatureControl, and I want to show you how to set up your creatures with the new setup wizard of ICECreatureControl 1.1. So for this I have prepared here an empty scene. I have already imported an Earthbound troll and a cave worm, which we want to use as a creatures. It's already important ICECreatureControl package 1.1 and some standard assets from the Unity store. So we can start now by clicking on the Windows menu. Here we will find the new ICECreatureControl menu, and within the Creature Control menu we have the wizard. So the first we have to do here is we have to add the creature register. So the creature register is in the scene, and here we have the creature register panel. So the second step, we could define a small demo terrain we want to use for our tutorial. And here the first step we have to do here is create the terrain and the obstacle layers. Just click it and you see the layer will be created automatically. Now we can add a small demo plane or demo terrain. We want to use a demo plane, and on the demo plane we can add some locations, some waypoints, some items, obstacles, and some water planes. So now we have to define the ground check. For this we want to use the raycast with the terrain layer, and the obstacle check we use basic with the obstacle layers. So now we can press on player. For this we want to use here the FPS controller from the standard assets, and now we can press play, and you see we are ready. Fine. So, and here we can start with our first creature. So we select the troll, drag and drop into the creature object. Now we have to define the trophic layer. Here the troll should be an omnivore, and the body orientation is b-padded. The running speed should be 4. As a walking speed we define 1.25. This would be suitable for the troll. And here we can define the desired animations. The wizard will directly automatically detect all available animations from your creature. The only thing we have to do here is we have to assign the correct animations to the behaviors. So for walk we use the walk, for run we use the run, for attack we want to use attack 1, and for impact we use hit, and die we want to use the die animation. So that's all we have to do. Okay, here's one special thing with the troll, because the troll is really small, and here we can directly adapt the scale. So 7 should be suitable. Okay, now our troll is finished, and here we have the ICECreatureControl panel of the troll, and you see the essential settings at the moment are empty. And now we can click generate, and the wizard will automatically fulfill all the essential settings. So everything is fine. Yeah, you see here our ground check will be terrain, our obstacle avoidance will be set to basic and to the obstacle layers. Yeah, we have here our behaviors and as a target with some random settings from the wizard. So now we can check here, show debug, and our first creature is inside the scene. If we click now, play, and go to the scene, yeah, we see our troll is walking. Yeah, okay. So now we can do directly the second creature, and here we use our cave worm. drag and drop again. So the K-form has the correct scale, so we don't need this. The trophic layer level of the K-form should be coniform. The body orientation is not bipeded, it's quadrupted. So the running speed should be 5 and the walking speed 1.5. So, and for the animations we can use the walk, run, it's not available, attack, and impact is not available, and die, we could use that. Also here, we click on the K-form, you see the essential settings at the moment are empty. Now we click generate and the wizard automatically fulfill the complete essential settings. So, but we can do more. As you can see here in the creature register, all the objects, the potential interaction objects, are inside the creature register now. Yeah, and to have a better overview, we can group all the things. So we have our player, we have 2 creatures, we have some different kind of items, and we have our locations, and we have 10 waypoints. So, and now we can go back here to the K-form and click here to the menu and go to interaction, and you see at the moment we have no interactors for our K-form. So if you go back here to the wizard, you see here in the trophic level, beside of the trophic level we have the interactor buttons. If we click here and check the interactors and click again generate, the wizard will detect automatically all potential interactors inside the scene and will add all the interactors directly to the interaction panel of your creature. So, and as you see here, we have now our player, we have our troll, and we have the K-form itself. So also the K-form can interact with other K-forms. But at the moment we only have one K-form, and so we don't need this. So, and we also deactivate the troll because we want that the K-form should interact directly with our player. So now we can go back here to the creature register, and we can use here K-form. We can activate the pool management, and we say we want 50 K-forms inside the scene. So we can close the wizard now, and now we can press play, and you see we have a lot of K-forms. And if our player goes clear, okay, you see the K-forms directly interact and try to attack our player. Okay, so now you can go to the K-form and adapt all the settings. Yeah, here you can define the priority. Yeah, when the K-form should select your player. Yeah, you can define the target move specifications. Yeah, and you can do this also. So this is for the sense behavior. Here you can do it for the hunt and for the attack, but you are free to add your own further rules. Yeah, and you can do this also for the troll. We can show this here also for the troll creature. Now we go back here to the troll. Here we have already adapted the size. It's omnivore, bipeded, yes. All the rest is okay. The only thing we have to do here Now go to the menu, click interaction, and the only thing we have to do here now is activate the interactors and press generate. Yeah, and so you will see now our players inside, our interactor, the troll itself is inside, so, and the K-form is inside. So, and now also the troll will interact with our players, or we can say here also we can activate this, so our troll directly attack now the cave worm. We can go to our troll. Where is it? Here. You see our troll will attack now the cave worm. So, and now we can say also to the troll, we're using the pool management, and we do 50 trolls inside the scene. And now we have a lot of trolls. And now you see also the troll will try to attack us. Come on, catch me. So, okay. Yo, thanks a lot, yeah. And I try to do much more tutorials in the near future. But for now, I have to publish ICECreatureControl 1.1. Okay, thanks a lot and see you later.